Dear marketers, today we have gathered here to show you how to write better and faster newsletters with Klu, but also how to communicate with your developers, because sometimes it can be really hard.
Ice. I'm making a newsletter. Can you send me the product updates so I can put them to the newsletter, please?
I think there are a few pages in Notion regarding the updates, and I think we had a few discussion also in Slack. And there are a few things we update there, and then I'm sure there are a few prior presentation regarding the update in the Google Drive, and I'm pretty sure, you have also been emailed, and you should check your email as well. So, did I forget to mention Notion? Yeah, I think Notion also there are a lot of things there, so please search up for it.
Okay.
Told you, it's not only about lack of a communication with developers, but it's also about where these informations are stored. Notion, Slack, Gmail, Drives, everywhere. But let's take this same question we asked Eyes. Let's ask Klu. So Klu is actually doing the work for you. It's searching through Slack and Notion and your Gmails and Drives wherever there is potential that this information is stored. And what's gonna happen? Well, it's actually gonna generate a response for you. It's gonna take a few seconds, but it's much faster than Ice, trust me. Now you can actually see from which sources Klu formed this reply for you. What is even more cooler, is actually you can scroll down and see all the pages and Slack messages and Drives where this information might also be. Now that we have brought all the information we need to generate a newsletter, let's just ask Klu to do it. Let's ask Klu to generate us nice, lovely, friendly product newsletter update based on the information that our developers have put there. It's generating, and once it's done, you can just pretty much copy and paste that into your newsletter. Have a lovely day. Use Klu. Why God this time? Why didn't I go into nursery or something like normal people do?